8. Adding more nodes. Up until now, we've been working with a project that has only one node connected. So, let's connect another one. This time we'll use an I/O node instead of a show control node. First, plug power into a new ShowNodes I/O node. Then, plug the node into the local area network. As before, this window pops up to tell you that a new node was detected. Click OK to initialize the new node. You'll also notice that a new fixture was created for the node. Now, open the ShowNodes Manager where you can see that our new node has been added to the list. Select the node and then click on the Settings tab. We're going to give the node a new name. The first time around, we renamed the node from the Fixture folder. We can also rename it here in the Settings tab. Enter the new name and then click Apply. While we're here, let's take a look at a few other things we can do with nodes from the ShowNodes Manager. If you right-click on a node, this pop-up menu appears, offering a few things you can do with that node. The Assign option we will skip for now. Build and Upload does the same thing as Build and Upload in the Node Actions menu, but it lets you do build and upload files for a single node or multiple nodes if you've selected more than one. Restart node causes the node to shut down and then restart itself. Delete undetected node will remove an undetected node from a project. Let's suppose we wanted to remove a node from a project. This cannot be done while a node is connected. However, if we disconnect the network cable from mynode2, you can see it lose connection in the node list. Now, right-click on the node and select Delete Undetected Node. If you click Yes, all trace of this node will be erased from VenueMagick. This includes the fixture and all project and timeline files. Be certain that this is what you want to do because once done, it cannot be reversed directly. Oops, I seem to have clicked Yes. As you can see, mynode2 no longer appears on the list. You'll also notice that it has been removed from the fixture folder. So how do I get it all back? Well, the first thing we need to do is plug the network cable back into the node. Since all trace of mynode2 was removed from VenueMagick, our pop-up will appear and tell us a new node was detected. But this time it looks a little different. VenueMagick knows that this node has already been initialized in a project, so it's warning us that this node belonged to another project. This warning is to help prevent us from accidentally overwriting a node. Click OK and it will be initialized as a new node, and any project files that may have existed on it before will be deleted. The last option on the right-click menu is Unlink Node. We'll get back to this one in a later video. Take a look now at the Node Actions menu. You will notice the same options as on the pop-up menu plus one more. Power down will turn off the selected node completely. After a power down, you will need to unplug the node and then re-plug it back in again to get it started. If you wish to add more nodes to the project, just plug them into the network and VenueMagick will detect them. ShowNodes will accommodate up to 253 nodes in a single VenueMagick project. This concludes our video on adding more nodes to a VenueMagick project. In our next video, we will add a ShowNodes video playback node to the project and show you how to use it to play videos.